Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Isaac Treningsi. My student identity is 21913132. I make this video to complete my assignment from subject seminar on ELT. So today I'm gonna present my assignment, which is review template from Journal of Digital Education, Communication and Arts, with the article titled Improving Students' Listening Skill Using Podcasts by authors Khairiyah Shahabuddin Mulia and Khairariska. Okay, check it out. Okay, first, background of this study. This study does to analyze the improvement of student listening skills using a podcast as the media. The quantitative technique was used in this research. The data were obtained from the pre-experimental technique. This research question of the study is conducted to find out the information about the improvement of students' listening skills on using podcasts. Next, literature review of this study. Listening as a process of hearing what speaker says, constructing and reflecting meaning, negotiating meaning with the speaker and reacting and generating meaning through interaction, creativity, and empathy. Meanwhile, technology has a huge potential to change present teaching methods. It doesn't include only machines and instruments, but it also involves structural relation with other humans, devices, and the environment. Media is additionally considered as an instructional system of this teaching-learning process. It is used to facilitate the teacher to realize the goal of teaching-learning process. Therefore, the teacher can select the media from the standard ones up to the modern ones. In doing this study, the researchers use a podcast as a media in providing materials to improve the student achievement in listening. A podcast is an audio file that is possible to download from internet. The finding of this study showed that students face difficulties in comprehending audio at the first meeting. After giving a treatment by using podcasts, the finding revealed that podcasts help students to improve their listening skills. It was proven by the improvement of the mean score of student pretest and posttest, 36.3 to 63.3. The score of the students after the treatment was improved more than before the treatment. So, the discussion of this study based on the pretest highest score is 60 and the low score was 40. After calculating the student pretest scores, the researchers continued to analyze the student post-test scores. To analyze the post-test score, the researchers used the same formula as in the pretest. From a range data before, it shows that the highest score of the post-test was 80 and the lowest score was 50. This study examined the use of podcasts to improve student listening skills. The researchers successfully collected the data using experimental teaching and tests as instruments. The student faced difficulty in comprehending the information from the audio at the first meeting by receiving the pretest score of 36.3. So, the conclusion of this study. There was an improvement of students' listening skill based on this study by comparing between mean score of pretest and posttest. The increase of both mean score was gained after the researchers gave the treatment for several meetings to the students. It can be inferred that all the participants have good experience in learning listening by using podcasts. Podcasts provides proper materials to practice listening. All participants recommend lecturers to use podcasts in learning process, whether it's face-to-face learning classroom or online class. Okay, I think that's enough from me. Thank you very much for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.